Well, hello friends, Running Kimono here, and shame on me for not bringing this video last night. I honestly thought it was good, but I guess on TikTok it is great because I made a little tiny 7-second TikTok about this, and I think more than 100,000 people were like, "Oh my gosh!" So these Rubbermaid takeaways, it's a 32-piece set. If you're into meal prep or freezing food, I think a lot of us are lately because a freaking apple is what, $19 at Walmart now. Food prices have just jumped in crazy. These $4 for a 32 count, and I know that if you have a Kroger, a lot of girls were getting them a lot cheaper, like $1 or something like that a couple weeks back. We don't have a Kroger, but throughout this one store that I went to, it's not in my town, but it was just like I found them in various locations and they were really deeply discounted. So I think the original price was like $7.99 or something like that, and it's down to like $4. So 50% off. I would have loved to have got it for like $2, but even for $4, it was like a heck of a deal because there is so much stuff in here. So taking a quick peek, we have the cups, the smaller cups, and then the bigger squares for food, the dividers to like meal prep in, and then the longer rectangular. So it comes with all of this. I hate that they include the lids as part of it, but it's a 32-piece set and it's Rubbermaid, so really good quality, and it's made in the USA, and you can freeze it, put it in the dishwasher, whole bunch of stuff at the bottom. So here is the UPC, and I'm just going to jog through how you can figure out if your town might have this. Now, if by chance it's still ringing up full price, this is one of these products that in the next month it might drop completely at your store, because this is a fall thing. And if you look at the I looked it up in the app, and it was ringing up as fall of this year, so I think that's why a lot of stores will be liquidating these very soon. Okay, so going over to the site brickseek.com, and this is 100% free. You do not need a membership. If you look at the top, the second from the left, inventory checker at the top, we have Walmart. That is what you will be tapping. So very easy. And BrickSeek is just kind of like a guide of what might be in clearance, what might not be in clearance. It's not the gospel, so you have to physically go to the store and try it out. So as you can see, I have the UPC because I gave you the UPC. I punched in that number, and then the 32 set is showing up. And remember how I was saying like it's fall? If you look, it says fall day 21, so that is code for something that is seasonal. So I think at a lot of stores, even if it's ringing up full price, this guy will be dropping in markets if you have it in stock. So this is one item you should be keeping a watchful eye out for, because clearance is always your mileage may vary. It might be here at $4, and then it might be full price at your store. Okay, so I punched in the zip code of Columbus, Ohio, if you looked at the last slide, and then at $7.98, those were hotcakes. They just sold out. I think because there's such a tremendous value in that box, a lot of people were like, I need to buy everything. So $7.98, hopefully your town might have some. And then how I got them really on the cheap was I used one $50 IBOTTA gift card, because at $4, there's some value there. A lot of you know that I like to like meal prep and freeze everything, because some people have hobbies and mine is freezing food. So what I did, guys, was I cashed out a $50 IBOTTA gift card. I grabbed 12 of them. So 4 times 12 is $48 plus the old tax. $50 IBOTTA gift card. I think I paid like just the balance of the tax. It was under $1, which was super nice. And I got 12 of these, some to share, some to keep, and I can free stuff till like, the next 2 years. I'm all set. Now, if you only have a $25 IBOTTA gift card, I would grab 6 for $24. Use that, and you're just paying down the tax. Or if you just want to grab one, it's $4. But a lot of us can see the value in this because it is Rubbermaid and it's a quality product. So if you really wanted to stock up, now is the time. And again, if this is not on clearance in your market, keep looking, because I think this is a fall 21 product. So it will be dropping sooner than later. Good luck with this one, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.